4 quads powered on. I got the green light from Mr. Paul Atkins.
All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live in lesson 5. There is the go tone. Everybody racing. Exciting night.
Nice clean video from all of our pilots. That's going to allow them to focus on what they need to do. Looks like one of them going down. That's going to be Shane's. He's going to be able to turtle mode back over, though. So we're down to 3 at the moment. It looks like Bull FPV appears to be your leader, working through the Terminator section of the track. Still Chief running in 3rd. And Platinum FPV from the Canadian team here representing right now, he is running in 2nd. Bull FPV way ahead of the rest of the field right now, making it all the way up. Now he's going back down, TBS section of our course. There he is, still way ahead of the rest of the field. So we just now got Chief actually working up the way. He's actually made up a lot of time going on to 2nd place right now. We heard about him talking about that consistency earlier. Bull FPV, though, over a lap ahead of the rest of the field. Actually about to come up on lap traffic if he keeps going up in speed. Bull FPV right now your leader by a long shot. Running in the number 2 spot, though, you can see both Chief and Platinum. They're battling for the 2. It's split screen vision between them as they go back up the Terminator section. Chief FPV with the faster line. He's going to get ahead of Platinum. Oh, wow, it might actually have been Chief FPV took the win. Platinum in 2nd, Bull FPV in 3rd. I'm not exactly sure what happened. I looked away for a second, and all of a sudden, Chief came screaming left to right, full throttle. There's that attitude that I was talking about. I told you about that personality. There was Chief. You could almost pick